are very happy that AVA and Toyota has worked together for more than 40 years. So let me congratulate the strong bond of collaboration. And I also mentioned that we have the local MP, honorable body here with us, and this shows that our relationship is not just about government to government. It is a warm bond of friendship between our two peoples. My Prime Minister visited Nairobi in May this year and had a very important meeting with the President. And I think the two leaders agreed to promote Mombasa port development. And it is my hope that with the support of the President, that the cooperation will go from strength to strength, and more investment and more activities by Japanese companies in the area, and we would change the whole dynamics of the Kenya as a country, as a gateway to East Africa. So with that, I'd like to thank Toyota Tsusho and AVA for inviting me, and I'd like to thank the President for being here with us. Asante ni sana.
Thank you, Ambassador. Your Excellency, now it's my honor to invite Governor of Mombasa, Abu Samal Sharif Nasir, to make very brief comments, because in the interest of time. Mustahiki Governor.
Your Excellency, hapa tuko kwa mwenyeji anaitwa Fulangenge, mbunge wa eneo hili. Akisalimia tu kwa chapchapu hapa itakuwa si vibaya, lakini huyu itabidi tukae bodyguard moja upande huu moja